Want to add a calculator field in Elementor Forms to show real-time results like totals, pricing, or loan estimates. After installing and activating Cool Form Kit, navigate to Cool Form Kit from Elementor section. Toggle on the calculator field and save changes. Now, open your Elementor form. From the Field Type drop-down, select Calculator field. Enter the formula for your calculation using the IDs of your form fields. Make sure to enter correct field IDs. You can access the IDs from the advanced setting of your form field. Add a prefix or suffix that appears before and after the calculated value and customize other settings. After satisfied with all the changes, publish the page and preview it.